There is never a single size that fits all. With every business having its own dynamics, following a consistent approach can be hard. However, there are certain best practices that can be applied across a multitude of organizations. At TechForce Services, we follow a user-centric approach for Salesforce Health Check. We divide the entire process in the following broad categories. Step 1 is analyzing. Analyzing by way of reviewing and understanding your current org status, pain points, goals, topology and flows, business processes, user feedback, governance parameters, and many others. And then step 2 is rationalizing what we gather in step 1 and transitioning into a deep dive mode by conducting stakeholder interviews and surveys, doing benefit analysis. In fact, this is an extremely engaging process which leads to an outcome on what your Salesforce org looks like. The guiding principles to perform the health check revolve around aligning business needs and Salesforce functionalities, prioritizing agile DevOps release management processes, lowering IT costs by improving Salesforce governance models, providing an independent view on cherry-picking the most optimal products, and cutting the flab by way of removing any unutilized subscriptions. The core focus remains around removing technical debts and stabilizing your Salesforce instance. All in all, ensuring your org is healthy and optimally utilized.